Now Dhoni, and he starts off with a boundary. He's been sent out to up the tempo. Now can he take that current run rate up even further? Well, he started off in blazing style.
What a way to get off the mark. Not such a bad delivery from Mohammad Sami, but it is such a good batting track that you can hit through the line at will. And Dhoni there making a very, very strong statement that he's arrived.
It's in the air and quickly into the advertising hoardings. It can be agonizing for bowlers. A leg before shout denied. The next ball disappears to the boundary.
Rubbing salt to the wound here. It was slower in the air and picked up the line very early, and Shahid Afridi is not happy.
Once again in the air, and it's got the distance as well. So Dhoni joining Sehwag in the party, and the 50 runs partnership comes up of just 34 balls.
Well, the heat is on. Well, these two, they are turning it on for India and also for the spectators here.
There again, the fielder was up on the leg side. Dhoni has intentionally played that fine. The Indians at the moment just mauling this Pakistan attack. Look at the scoreline, 1-1-1 for 1.
Suffering the Pakistani bowlers.
146 for 3. Come back to that, the progressive run rate. That's a good cricketing shot. Very good cricketing shot from Dhoni. No slogging, inside out over extra cover. He knew where the field was. Now that's what India need. They need those boundaries to keep coming.
Well, the moment that ball was hit, Inzamam ul Haq was furious at the bowler.
Goes for the big one, 6. That's more like it. There was a discussion between Dravid and Dhoni at the end of the last over. Now this is good cricket. This is good cricket from Dhoni. Getting it back into Pakistan attack. Good footwork and a big one.
Well, India needed this kind of an over, especially from this man.
It does a lot of damage with the bat. Once again at the deep mid-wicket, and he has missed it completely. 4 runs to Dhoni. He was out in this fashion to Arshad Khan in the last match. This was flatter. Rana Naveed going for the catch, conceding 4 in return. 200 for India.
Well, this is going to cost Pakistan. It's not the easiest of takes. It's a tough one. It was falling. In fact, it's a little injustice if you say that that's an easy take. Very, very tough to sight the ball as well. It was flat. And when the ball comes through the crowd, it's very difficult to sight, especially if it's dipping. This weather is going to take its toll. That is a good hit. Predominantly offside field, just straying on to maybe middle stump. He went for it and connected beautifully.
Well, Sehwag's gone for Pakistan, but Dhoni is now the thorn in the flesh. Nicely played. They have been slightly premeditated. The length was not ideal for that kind of a shot.
He's looking to go after that, and that's his 6th. What a shot. Middle it once again, got the elevation right. Maximum he has got.
Yes, and he always looks to hit straight, which is the good thing. You got the feeling when that stumping went down, it was all or nothing now with Dhoni. He's tired out of there, he's dehydrated, but that went easily. He wants to score now, every ball. The wide signal. He goes again. This is another one. Just clearing deep mid-wicket. And up goes Billy. He's doing some exercise today. Two sixes in the over. So this is adding insult to injury. A net off of the first delivery. Now 2 hits for the maximum.
Not an easy stroke to execute, especially against a leg spinner. Is it going to be the third one? One bounce for 4. Huge over for Pakistan. 270, 280 for 3. Another one. 4. How to stop this man? That's the question for the Pakistani skipper and for the bowlers.
He's middling everything. And more importantly, he's finding the gaps. I mean, the wheels have come off as far as Inzamam is concerned.